Greetings, World History students and your parents. First off, I want to thank all the parents out there who took the time to fill out the quick survey out there that I sent out last week regarding the job that I'm doing as your child's teacher during distance learning. The feedback really helps me improve as a teacher, and I really greatly appreciate it. If you haven't filled out the survey yet, please make sure you do so in the email that I'm sending out with this video link. As far as the students, overwhelmingly, the responses came back that the amount of work that I'm assigning and the difficulty of the work that I'm assigning is just right. I'm not assigning too much or too little, so I appreciate that feedback. A few of you did let me know that you feel the work is too difficult or it's too much. I reached out to you regarding extra help or ways I can accommodate your needs. Please make sure you get back to me if that was you. As far as this week goes, so we're going to continue our lessons with how Europe changed from the Dark Ages through the Renaissance and the Reformation. Now, we've already looked at what Europe was like during the Dark Ages with the feudal system and the role of the Catholic Church. We looked at this last week about the Crusades, the growth of towns, the plague, and how that began to challenge the feudal order and the role of the church. We're going to continue that theme this week by looking at what the Renaissance is, how it changed Europe, and how it challenged both feudalism and the role of the Catholic Church in European life. We're going to be doing that with 3 assignments. The first one is using a program called Actively Learn, which we used the first semester, but we really haven't used recently. This is going to give you a kind of overview of what the Renaissance was, how it started, the role it played in European life. So that's going to be an Actively Learn reading article. It's basically a straightforward read, answer some multiple choice questions, a couple free response questions. Pretty straightforward there to give you background knowledge of what the Renaissance is. The second assignment is going to be an Edpuzzle video about the life of Leonardo da Vinci, whose life really encapsulates what humanism is and what the Renaissance was, what it means to be a Renaissance man. Now, you might have noticed the phrase humanism right there in that last sentence. You're absolutely going to want to know what humanism is and how it was seen as a threat to the Catholic Church and the feudal order. Now, to help you understand that, we get to the third assignment, which is a humanism web quest. And there's going to be some videos and some documents that you're going to have to look at and analyze and answer some questions on, practicing your identifying, explaining, and contrasting skills. Those are the question types that we're really struggling answering and figuring out the difference between. So we're going to continue our practice with that skill set as well. So if you have any questions, need any help, please feel free to reach out. Also, I do miss the social interactions we had in class, so please keep a lookout. Sometime this week, I'm going to be sending out a link to an invite where we can just kind of hang out in a Google chat. You can ask me whatever questions you want. It can be about the assignments, the lessons. It can be asking me what video games I'm using, how I'm occupying my time. You can tell me what games you're playing, what you're doing to occupy your time, what your life is like. It'll just give a chance kind of to socialize and catch up. So I'll send that out early this week. Please check that out. You don't have to stop in. You don't have to drop in for the Google Hangout, but I do miss talking to all you guys. So I'm going to put that out there as a way to kind of socialize and get together and just talk a little bit for, maybe a half hour or so. Drop in, don't drop in. It's completely optional, but figure give us a chance to kind of talk a little bit more. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out. I'm here for you. This is Mr. Dunbeck signing off. Good luck, and we'll see how the Renaissance changes Europe.